Smart logistics and inventory management.
Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the coolest AI agents in Delaverse, smart logistics and inventory management. Imagine turning chaotic stock tracking into a seamless, AI-powered system that keeps your business running like clockwork. That's what this is all about. This AI agent automates inventory tracking and optimization using smart AI analysis. Whether you're dealing with multiple warehouses or just need better demand forecasts, it pulls in data from Google Sheets or APIs, analyzes trends, sends alerts via Telegram, and generates reports in Google Docs. It's perfect for saving time, cutting costs, and making smarter decisions without the hassle. Getting started is super simple in the Delaverse playground. Log into your account, head to the playground canvas, and download our ready-to-use Smart Logistics and Inventory Management AI agent template, or build it from scratch. Just drag nodes onto the canvas, connect them like puzzle pieces, and configure with your details. It's like assembling a productivity powerhouse in minutes. Let's break down the magic. Real-time inventory tracking. Keep tabs on stock levels across locations with automatic updates. No more manual spreadsheets. It syncs data live so you're always in the know. AI-powered analytics. The AI crunches your numbers to spot trends, predict demand, and even flag weird stock dips. It's like having a data wizard on your team. Smart notifications. Get pinged on Telegram when stock is low or piling up too high. Set your own thresholds and stay ahead of issues. Automated reporting, so reports build themselves. Daily summaries or custom overviews straight into Google Docs for easy sharing with your team. Dive into the analytics dashboard, and you'll see clear visuals of stock trends, reorder suggestions, and performance metrics. Each chart tells a story: why your inventory is fluctuating, what's hot right now, and what's coming next. It's invaluable for spotting opportunities and avoiding surprises, giving you that competitive edge. The real payoff? Streamlined operations mean fewer stockouts, less waste, and happier teams. Operations managers love how it slashes costs through better forecasting, while analysts get rich insights to optimize the whole supply chain. It's not just saving time, it's boosting your bottom line effortlessly. Want to level up? For pro setups, link in your custom APIs for automated data pulls, or tweak the AI instructions for specific industry needs like seasonal spikes. Head to the node settings. Start with the data source, Sheets for simple, or API for advanced. Then chain to the AI analyzer. Test with sample data first. Delaverse makes it intuitive. Enable the interpreter mode for big datasets to handle it like a champ. With smart logistics and inventory management, you're empowered to track, predict, and act with confidence. Say goodbye to inventory headaches and hello to a smarter, more efficient business. Jump in today, build your AI agent, and watch your operations soar in Delaverse.